Hello guys, my name is Freddy, and today I'm sad that it is a nice sunny day. Well, I'm happy it's a nice sunny day and I don't see any people out there. And all I just see is a big, huge dirt pile. I'm bored. What should I do? Oh yeah, maybe I could go shoot off some bullets. Hey people, you are gonna die! Pew, 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 pew. Let's try to shoot this. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, why can't I shoot this book? It's indestructible. What should I do now? Let's go over here. Wait. Is that what I just think it is? Is that a fire alarm? I'm going to pull it. Whoops. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ugh. Oh man, I wonder what this YouTube video's like. This YouTube video is like. Since I'm broke and I only have 25 cents, let's watch some Logan Paul. Let's wind it up. There we go.
Thanks for the ride. Buddy, I'm home.
Wow, this is fun to watch. I'm gonna make it full screen. Oh no! That must be the fire alarm! We better evacuate! No! Alright, so my name is Mr. Woogie Boogie Waffle from the County Creek Fire Department. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to investigate where the fire is. So, let's go check. No fire here. Good job, the fire alarm went off beforehand. No fire here. No fire here. Pretty much it maybe just be a false alarm. No fire here. Definitely no fire in the living room. That's for sure. No fire here. No fire there. No fire. I don't think there's any fire nowhere. So, right kids, this is a fire. Hold on, let me check in there. No fire! Alright, so, I have a warning you that this might be a false alarm. So, it's definitely a false alarm. So, I'm going to have you guys go back inside the building, and whoever pulled the fire alarm should pay me $600,000 in a fine for making me come in here. It wasn't me who pulled it. Alright, wait. Was it Freddy? Oh yeah, he's gonna pay the fine.